Alright, we're getting ready for another test to go here. Got a couple things in my oven right here. So, it's a little stack of head cylinders. Yeah, whatever, oil tank. So we're going to go ahead and bake, clean all this stuff. So we're going to heat this all up to probably 900, 950. Let it bake for an hour or so. We'll burn all the crap off the stuff here. We got all kinds of different cylinders and stuff here. Try to burn the crap out of these knuckleheads. This 45 cylinder I already blasted, but you can see that's all baked on shit all around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake all this stuff. I was reading some stuff about car crap and they're seeing how they rust and everything comes off if you heat it at 800 to 850 for an hour or two. So we'll find out. I have some rust stuff here right here. So we'll see what happens and let you know. I know for sure the paint's going to burn off, so that'll be a plus. Anyway, yeah, appears to have some weight here. That's as far as that's going in for now. Gotta get a running start on that one. There might be 100 pounds or so in there, maybe. I'm not sure. There are about 30 or 40 cylinders and heads in there at least. Alright, so we're going to turn this thing on. We're going to crank this thing up. We're going to put it on a 3-hour loop. Right now we got it set for 700, so we're going to bump that right on up to whatever. Yeah, that's a good area. I mean, that's too high right there, but yeah, 940 will be the number. It's iron, it ain't going to matter. Oh, I forgot something though. I got to take that plug out of the top of the oil tank. But anyway, we'll run this thing on up and we'll take a look at it in a little while. Let show you what it looks like. Okay, we're up to 937 now. It was at 940 a few minutes ago. So anyway, let's see how bad this shit looks in here. It appears that it's warm.
Whoa! We only have a few cylinders.
It's only 950, 970, 960. Okay, it appears to be hot in there. It appears that all the stuff might be burnt off. I'm going to melt the camera lens. I'm going to close that door, it's hot in there. So there we go. So I got to let that cool off and then we'll see how much of that crap actually got burnt off. Okay, here's a quick shot of what these parts look like after you get them blasted. And after they've been heat cleaned. So there's a knucklehead before I blasted it. So you can see all the burnt off crud in here. It's all baked down in between the fins and stuff. And this is one that we just got done blasting here last night. So you can see how most of it comes out, but it's still a little bit way down in there deep. Damn light. That's going to have to be picked out with a drill bit or something way down in there. Most of this other stuff, you can see it all came out between there where it got picked in. See the same thing on this one over here, it's all full of crap. So that's what it looks like. Now this is just bead blast here, no sand. It comes off pretty quickly. So it did make it look come off a lot easier than it did. It's already getting some more surface rust coming out of the pores right here. It's rusted pretty good. So I'll have to re-blast this one probably. But see a little bit in there, but pretty much, pretty much it comes off pretty nicely. So here's a panhead cylinder. You can see I cleaned up pretty good. This just came off real nice and quickly. This is what it looked like before I blasted it. So you can see the other half of the fins I didn't do yet. So it seems to clean up pretty good being baked on there like that. So all this stuff here, like I said, this had paint on it. You can see it just all flakes off. This is gasket material. So this one here is probably already blasted at one time. These other ones have not been blasted yet. But it does get it, so it just kind of makes everything like ash. So it comes off pretty quickly. So I'll do some more blasting here and we'll see how it works out, because we got all of this stuff right along here to do yet. So these are all of the stuff that was in the oven there. Got a whole big row of cylinders and stuff all the way around the corner. So we'll see how it works and let you know.